everyone, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach here. It's Wednesday, happy Wednesday. We are still sheltering in place here in Michigan, and we're having a little bit of a rainy week, so it kind of even puts a bigger damper on it. And speaking of rain, this next video might be something that you would be interested in.
Yeah, so we understand that a lot of you, like us, everything is shut down. You're sheltering in place, but maybe you still want your coach washed. So we thought this would be a great opportunity to show you the proper way to wash the coach and the way that Marathon does it. So the individuals that you will see washing this coach are at the main plant in Oregon. And pay attention to some of the things they do, like how they spray the soap on and so forth, and how they rinse the coach. There's a lot of great pointers in this video. So we thought if you're sheltering at home and everything is shut down, and depending on what state you're at, you could be shut down even longer than May. So we thought this could be very helpful for some of you who maybe never washed your coach before. So we hope you enjoy this and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. To start with, some of the things you need to do to prepare to wash your coach is choose a cool shaded area. Avoid washing the coach in the direct sunlight. The first thing we do is we bring the coach in and we use the leveling system to manually drop the front end to help the water rinse forward. And then make sure you rinse the top of the coach, the roof of the coach, before you begin washing the sides of it. So some of the tools that we need when we wash our coach: pressure washer with a wide fan type spray nozzle. Do not spray too close to the paint. Another thing we use is a foam cannon. Foam cannon puts the soap on the coach. We use 4 buckets. We have a wheel bucket, a bug degreaser bucket, a shampoo bucket, and a rinse bucket. Labeling each bucket and wash mitt to avoid cross-contamination between washes. We use a microfiber mitt pole or ladder, soft fender brush, Meguiar's microfiber wash mitt. And then the product that we use at Marathon is a Meguiar Super Degreaser, a Meguiar's Hyper Wash, and a Meguiar Shampoo Plus. Step 1, fill tire bucket with Meguiar's Shampoo Plus. Do not use degreaser on wheels or tires. First, rinse and wash all 6 wheels with a dedicated wash mitt. Then use a soft fender brush for the tires and mud flaps. Step 2, windshield, bug removal, and front end of coach. Fill bug degreaser bucket with Meguiar's Super Degreaser. Apply Super Degreaser 1 windshield at a time and let soak without drying, and then gently scrub away bugs and rinse clean. Use Super Degreaser on mirrors and the rest of the front of the coach. Step 3, wash each side of the coach. Start by thoroughly rinsing coach, and then use Meguiar's Hyper Wash in a foam cannon and coat small sections at a time and rinse well. Do not allow Hyper Wash to dry before rinsing. Fill your rinse bucket with water and your wash bucket with Meguiar Shampoo Plus. Use a dedicated Meguiar wash mitt to gently wash in small sections. Use a side-to-side motion, never wash in a swirling pattern. Very frequently clean out your mitt in the rinse bucket, then dip into the shampoo and use a heavy amount. Fill your bucket as full as possible. Do not add more water midway. If your bucket is getting low, empty your bucket and start fresh. Rinse off shampoo with a gentle stream of water with just an open hose. Do not power spray. You have less water spots if you use an open hose. Step 4, wash rear and engine door. The rear of the coach is often the dirtiest. Do this step after you wash both driver and curb sides. Thoroughly rinse as much grime as possible off the back. Open engine doors and rinse inside. Next, close the door to foam and rinse entire area. Then use shampoo to gently wash. Step 5, drying and tire dressing. If filtered water is not available, rinse coach using a smooth stream of water from an open-end hose, not with a spray nozzle or pressure washer. This will reduce the amount of small water drops that can cause spotting. Use new microfiber rags to gently dry as much water as possible. Do not use a water blade on painted or stainless panels. If you use filtered water for the entire process, then you can just allow everything to drip dry. Dry off tires and allow to fully dry, and then apply tire dressing of your choice with an applicator sponge. So those are the 5 steps to properly wash your coach.
Well, we sure hope you liked that video. We hope you picked up a few tips along the way.
Yeah, great way to wash your coach. And keep in mind, even though things are kind of shut down right now, Marathon still has some great inventory. And, the word going around is RVing is going to be a big when this is over, that people aren't going to travel abroad as much. So, if you're thinking about getting into an RV, maybe buying a new coach or upgrading your coach, now's a great time to look. We have some great inventory on the ground. We've got a lot of pre-owned, we've got some new coaches. Hopefully you enjoyed the blackout coach that Dawn and I showed you last week. We got a lot of great comments on that coach. People really loved that coach. So if you have any interest in any of the coaches that we have on our website, feel free to reach out to Dawn or I, dawnp@marathoncoach.com or randyv@marathoncoach.com. So keep watching Randy, Dawn, and the Marathon Coach, and we hope to see all of you soon.